What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So you guys, I'm here in Walmart. I hope you guys checked out my last Walmart video because I showed tons of Easter basket filler ideas showing that brand new display that they just put out. But now I'm here in the clearance aisle and it looks really stocked. I have to say they condensed this area over here. I'm seeing a lot of empty spots, but this side over here is looking nicely stocked. I'm just kind of eyeing it right now. I'm seeing laundry baskets, I'm seeing storage bins of different sizes, and I'm seeing a lot more products out. So I'm really excited to show you guys what's new this week. Let's just go ahead and start right here in the $1 section. Let's see what we have that might be new. Okay, we have some kerosene additive. That's just $1. I think this is new. What is this? The all-natural dry powder stain remover for $1. Some baby bottle nipples for just $1. This candle got marked down to $1. I remember when this was a little more expensive. Some Bic pens for $1. The pulverizer twist. Again, I think this is used for a weed whacker. $1, you guys. It was normally almost $8. And look at this, you guys. If you want to get some weatherization stuff for next year, the window kits have been marked down to $1. They also have pipe wrap insulation tape that's been marked down to $1. The removable weather seal for $1. So many of these things have been marked down. We have a shock trap. Tell me in the comments, you guys, what this is. I know it's something for tennis. I'm just not exactly sure what. The bicycle inner tubes are now just $1. I'm seeing a lot of really great $1 deals this week. Some of these items that have been here for a while are now in the $1 section like this, you guys. This is a Mainstays 70-inch round fabric tablecloth for $1. Hello, this is a wonderful deal. Yes, we have even more here. $1, look at that. $1. It was normally almost $14. This is by Better Homes and Garden. We have a 6-inch outdoor lantern for $3. I'm super impressed this week already, you guys. I'm seeing a whole lot of value here in the $1 section. And they still have some of the Pioneer Woman plates, some of the Better Home and Garden plates that I've been showing every week. I thought these were just going to be flying off the shelves, but a lot of the plates are still here. I got some of this last week, you guys. This is now marked down to $3. It was $3.50. They tidied up some of the makeup, and I think they might have added a little more makeup, but the prices are still the same. We have some Milani, some Revlon, some Neutrogena, some Almay. This L'Oreal, I think, has been added. It's new. It's $5. They've also added a couple watches for $4. Vampirina for $4. Some of the Kendall and Kylie super overpriced phone cases. They were originally like $25. They're now marked down to $3 and $5. I'm seeing a scented one up here for $5. This is not Kendall and Kylie though. So some $5 phone cases. This is a super pretty purple. This has advanced drop protection. I really love that pastel. They also have this pretty kind of green one up here. Okay, they have tons of the bicycle tires that are $5. They have added so many more since last week. And then look, you guys, they have these itty bitty tiny, super tiny ceramic heaters. Perfect for small spaces. These are marked down to $5. They were originally almost $10. Some more weatherization kits. These are $5. These pillows are $7. Now, what really needs to be marked down are these. Like, you guys, I'm gonna pull all my hair out if I see these one more week for $5. These should be like 50 cents. Who pays $5 for an off-color washcloth at Walmart? No, you guys, it's not even name brand. It's just like a random washcloth sitting here for $5. No, that is not a deal. Okay, again, now we have some of the bigger window kits here for $5. Those have been here. The wall plaques, the home decor, those are $5. And then we have some shoe boxes here. Now you guys, I was going, whoa, $5 for one, not a good deal. However, this is a value pack of 10, and it's by the Sterilite brand, so you guys are getting these for 50 cents each. Not bad. And if you're finding it in your store for even cheaper than $5, and you're really getting a good deal. But okay, what I would more like to spend my $5 on would be this super big and sturdy. Look at this. This is $5. Now this was normally $8.54. These are just $5. If you guys need a new super sturdy laundry basket, $5. Starbucks lovers, look, this is just for you. $5 Starbucks mugs. These are official Starbucks merchandise. These are $7. They have the hollow, but oops, that one has a crack in it. We have red, we have gold. Those are just $7. They were normally almost $13. And then these little mugs, they were originally pushing $9. They're now $5. They have these little sets here. These are the reusables, the BPA free, $5. They were originally almost $9. So we're not really seeing a whole lot over here except these beauties for $5 and the Starbucks mugs for $5 and $7. This is a water heater insulation blanket. Again, staying with the whole weatherization theme. $9. It was originally almost $20. And then they still have some of the vertical blinds here for $30, between $30 and $35. More Sterilite, more matching Sterilite. These match with the laundry baskets. $11 for this. Nice. It was normally $18.98. Ooh, more Starbucks. Yes. This one was how much? $14.84. Now these are really heavy. This one is $9 also. Okay, we have this little system for $11, and then I guess these two are identical. It just kind of threw me off because they were turned a different way. Some Brinks security lights for $7. It was $28.47. Okay, let's come down here a little bit. I don't know if these are ever going to sell. They're $9 right now. They were originally $19.97. They still have all the Apple watch bands for $9. Not Apple licensed, just Apple compatible. Guitar Hero Live rechargeable battery pack was $19.88. What else? This is new this week. A little baby blanket for $10. They still have the storage bags for breast milk for $10. And they've added some glass water bottles. This is $11. The brand is Contigo, BPA-free glass. It was $19.96. They also have this one, also for $11. This is an attic stairway cover for $15. It was $36.93. I think they've added some of these Power Rangers. They're $15. I'm not sure on an original price. This is also on clearance for $6. Was $7.74. There was so much name brand pet food here last week. It got totally wiped out except for the sensitive skin and stomach for $10.92. And what is this? Is this chicken food? What is this? Okay, I don't know if this is for chickens or dogs. No, this is dog food for $13. It was really throwing me off. I am here in the Midwest, so you never know. I just had to look at it carefully. I was like, is that chicken feed or dog food? Okay, what else? Wireless in-car cinema for $25. It was $35. What do you do? Record and watch over 350,000 HD shows. It's a media stick. Zoom Go, over 100 channels. Stream up to 4 devices, no 4G required. This one's new. The Playmobil Set. How much is it? I'm not seeing a sticker anywhere. So I don't know if it's supposed to be over here. This is a 104-piece set, but I'm not finding a price. And then they have the 60 by 102 blended weave tablecloth by Better Homes and Gardens for $14.36. And I think this is going to be a short one, you guys, compared to most weeks. Over here on this side, I'm seeing some big bags of Nutro, but I'm really not sure how much they are. And I think, oh yeah, there's this bag of Iams up here for $19.97. But most of the super affordable name brand dog food that was here last week is now gone. I'm just seeing a couple other new things here and there, like the Steven Universe van. I think it's $10. And then we have an easy setup volleyball like system, but I'm really not sure how much this is. You guys know how it is. Sometimes it's not marked and you just have to go and scan it. Now this is new this week. This is a Star Wars operation game. I have never seen anything like this before. It says help repair BB-8, but watch out for the buzzer. That's $15. And I don't know if this is ever gonna sell, but it's been here for a hot minute. And they even have the shams, the matching shams for $17. And I think this might be new. This is a $19 Radiant tank top heater. Tank top heater? What? And it says propane, indoor, outdoor. I don't know. I'm a little bit confused, you guys. A Radiant tank top heater. Okay. Those are, I think this is the only one too. Yeah, $19 was $38.84. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me here on the clearance aisle. I'm gonna say I'm most impressed with the Sterilite items. I think it's a really, really great price. This laundry basket is just $5 and it's super huge. I'm also gonna say the Starbucks cups and tumblers are a really, really great deal. And also, I am super impressed with some of the $1 items over here, like the window kits, and also this $1 70-inch fabric tablecloth. So yeah, you guys, I'm glad I came on the clearance aisle and shared some of these deals with you guys. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please show me some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.